My name is Tom Meisenheimer, and I'm Director of External Relations and Fund Development at The Threshold. We do a monthly show about The Threshold, and today we have a very exciting concept that we're going to talk about with Jim Gum, who is a Transition Program Manager for a program we call I Am Going to Work, and also Joan Pozorski from Hartford Union High School. But before we meet them, I want to introduce Patricia Fabian, who's been on our program many times. Patricia's our Adult Service Director, and this program is so interesting, this I Am Going to Work program. And before we talk about the guts of the program and how it actually is implemented with Jim and Joan, I wanted you to give us an idea about how people look at and have looked at people with disabilities, why we've developed this School to Work. And by the way, this is a program that we coordinate with high schools, with the Moraine Park Technical College, with the Threshold, with businesses, to help people with disabilities in high school transition into work immediately and as part of their senior year. So Patricia, take it from there and give us an overview of how this whole concept developed.
Sure. People with disabilities have one of the highest unemployment rates in the country. In general, more than 70% of people with disabilities are unemployed, yet indicate that they have a desire and a willingness to work. And about 2.5 years ago, we got involved with the state of Wisconsin through a grant program to try and improve employment outcomes for people with developmental disabilities and helping them find employment in the community and be successfully supported if needed in doing that. And as we did that through the first year, we were very successful. But what we noticed was that high school students coming out of the schools were not as successful. They were not getting as much information and opportunity to find that employment in the community, despite the fact that the supports were there. And I had been doing some research and reading different things and information. The internet tells you a lot these days.
It sure does.
About a very successful model in Ohio that partnered the local high schools, voc rehab agencies like the Threshold, the state vocational rehabilitation department, which is also helpful to people with disabilities in finding employment, local employers, and local technical colleges. And by bringing the whole community together and starting sooner rather than later, they had employment outcomes where about 75% or more of the high school students graduating with disabilities were employed within 3 months of graduation. Now, these are not all full-time jobs, but that's okay. Yeah. At least 12 to 15 hours a week in careers that were meaningful for them. And so I started shifting the focus of our grant for the second year, saying, okay, we've got it on the adult side, we know where we're going. Let's shift and let's see if we can take some of those best practice ideas from Ohio and implement them here in Washington County and see if we can't do better for our youth coming out of high school. And it was one of those funny moments. I'm working on the grant and I'm bringing all these ideas together, and I get a call from Joan Pozorski, who we've worked with for many years, from Hartford Union High School, who said, hey Patricia, I have a new idea and I'm wondering if you guys could help me with it. And so Joan started telling me about what she was thinking, and I started laughing and said, Joan, have you been reading my mind? Because I was working on a grant that was incorporating some of the exact types of things that she was talking about doing. So we met that summer, got things together. Now the grant process was obviously a little behind what Joan and I were doing, but we did a mini pilot a 1.5 years ago. We got the grant, so this year we've been able to implement the full program, which is really bringing all of those things together. And the basic premise is it's very hard to learn how to work and what the culture of the work world is when you spend every day in high school. You don't get enough opportunity, and people with disabilities, and particularly cognitive disabilities, need more experience, need more opportunity to come out of the high school and be interacting with people of all different ages to learn about what it means to be a responsible adult in going to work, what it feels like to really earn a regular paycheck, what it's like to go to college, and then hopefully, because we're coming up on our first year this June, folks will be graduating, and we're pretty close to having 2 of them employed regularly. So we are using the model and showing that it is going to work.
Great.
And so Hartford High School has been our primary collaborator for the past 2 years pretty much, and we're very excited because next year we have some students coming into this program from Germantown. Hartford will be back again, and those families are very excited. And we've also been meeting with Kewaskum and Slinger. So the goal eventually is, because it says on here it's a community collaboration,
Right.
is that it'll say all the school districts of Washington County, along with the Division of Voc Rehab here for Wisconsin, the Threshold, the business community, and Moraine Park Technical College has also been a fabulous support for this. In fact, that's probably been one of the most gratifying things to see is these young adults going to college who never thought they would go to college. They're actually earning credits. It's a curriculum Moraine Park already had, focused on critical core employment skills. It's all the basics that every employer wants in an employee. But to see them come together, to go to college, to work as a team, to support each other, the smiles on their faces, the pride, and the self-confidence that this program has built for these young adults from when they start to when they end, and I'm sure that's something that Joan is probably going to hit upon. The comments and feedback from the families about how they see their son or daughter grow and mature in self-confidence, to see the smile on their face with the paycheck, because we're all better off as a community when everybody is an earner,
Right.
rather than just using tax-supported subsidies for their supports.